Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday, we're featuring the 2026 Cadillac Escalade IQL. As Cadillac's all-electric flagship SUV, the Escalade IQL combines bold design, advanced technology, and effortless power in an extended wheelbase luxury platform. With its substantial weight, instant torque, and regenerative braking system, it requires braking components that deliver smooth, consistent performance without sacrificing comfort or control. DFC's 5000 series advanced brake pads and GeoSpec coated rotors are engineered to meet OE specifications, providing quiet operation, stable pedal feel, and dependable braking under EV-specific conditions. Designed to integrate seamlessly with regenerative braking, these components help manage increased vehicle weight while maintaining refined response. GeoSpec coated rotors offer long-lasting corrosion protection, while OE-specific designs ensure precise fitment and reliable installation for service technicians. Whether navigating city streets, cruising the highway, or carrying passengers and cargo, DFC braking components help the Escalade IQL maintain confidence and control. For added convenience, DFC brake components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, streamlining inventory for distributors and improving efficiency in the service bay. DFC is proud to support the 2026 Cadillac Escalade IQL with a complete braking solution, pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for OE-level performance, durability, and the refined driving experience Cadillac owners expect. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.